Dude, who could, like, be distracted by this music, man? Oh my god. Crazy, dude. Crazy world we live in. Sorry, I mean, sorry, not sorry. I can't help that my stupid PC is a Threadripper with two 1080 Ti's that are SLI'd. Can't handle PC, and it freezes randomly sometimes. So, just dealing with it, man. What's up, William Baker, Francisco, Alex, Rick Schmitz, man. We returned, Sahib, man. That's it, dude. It gonna rain. Also,
price gonna dip.
What's up, Matt Carl? Intermission, dude. Is this gonna turn into a marathon stream, man? I'm back, Zipper, dude. I'm gonna keep you grounded, man. Zipper, dude. Well, you know, I mean, we talked about XRP. There's no FOMO going on. It's actually like contracting on price. It's near a decently low risk area for entry for potentially a move up, maybe. Stablecoin. I am the new stablecoin on XRP. Nanu. Scarred, yeah. What's up, MK, man? How you doing, dude? Market, here's your cues, dude. We pivoted, we booted, and we rallied. And the 786, 177.92, we're waiting, dude. Above all three daily moving averages, man. Come on, cues. Let's go. Let's hit that 178 mark. Let's see what happens. Strong. Yeah, the bogs, the Bogdanovs and the Bogans together got me, dude. All right, they've teamed up. That's right, MLB. Brian's going dip. Look, Copper Crypto, man, on Twitch, dude. Not really on this market, no. Oh, this market, yeah, but not the crypto market, sorry. Let's go to that MDA for Crypto Chef. I know he wanted to see it. Oh, we had not. I mean, we looked at it. We hadn't looked at it in a while, though. I mean, it's time's gone by. All right, you had a breakout. You ran up. You sold off, and look, you had this downsloping resistance form, right? 1 and 2 anchor points, and then what'd you do? You back tested the channel. You ran again. You made a lower high than your previous high. And you just kept selling off, normalizing, bottoming out, making higher lows than your previous lows consecutively. Sideways action for a long time, and then we broke into the upside, man. Okay, it's great. Great news, but it seems as though we've not been able to sustain any kind of prices above the 100% retrace. Look, as you can see, we ran up and actually hit from the high to the low, right? The highest high to the lowest low. We hit the 100% retrace. 1272 was touched briefly on MDA before completely dumping, and we're back down to this 50 moving average, so we're pivoting off of it right now. All right. So really, man, I don't even know. Like, this doesn't look like it's in some sort of uptrend. I mean, we can try all we can, man. Let's give it a shot. Just cleaning it up, dude. Let's just do it, man. Let's just completely trash this thing. It's trashed. Just got like this 100% right there, right? We got the all-time highs up there. Man, I'll tell you this. See, too deep of a retrace, though. That's like a 78% retrace. Which one's a 78? Oh, the butterfly. But the butterfly, that wouldn't apply here. So there's no 78% retrace in this type of harmonic stuff. You clearly had a Momo shift right here, right? Makes a lot of sense. But you just kept going sideways, which happens, man. It's not an overnight thing. 1, 2, 3. But here's the thing. You like broke out, right? You had something like that, and you just had a false breakout, whatever. Terrible, dude. Okay. Like, you can't even do a trend line because it's like constantly just continuing to fall below it. It's not respecting it at all, right? So I just think, look, man, you don't have to have channels all the time. You don't have to have all these different things. Let's see if we go from this anchor point. See, that makes a little bit more sense. 1 and 2 and 3, and 4-ish, 5-ish, and then you work to the upside, right? So that makes some sense, right? But what's the target, man? I mean, this is just a simple bump and run, okay? Simple bump and run. Where you know from a breakout, depending on how it can take a while, but from the breakouts, I mean, look, you can be, remember, you can be a critical thinker here. You don't have to go for the 100% retrace, but that's, even though that is a target, you can look for this is a target. And look, critical thinking is going to do things for you, because look, we ran up this first time, hit that, and then sold off. And then the second time we ran up, we hit this top one. So they're not always like exactly the same. Like if it makes sense to you, knowing exactly just how support resistance works, man, go with God, man. All right. And what would a bump and run, man? It's very easy. We know from a high to low. Yeah, from this high point to this low point down here. The 1272 is the third target, man. It's really a second target, but in this situation, oh my God, man, really? In this situation, it makes a lot of sense to have that more conservative first target, because it's just it's just a nice spike to the upside. Look, dude, you were diverging up here at that top. Look, when you're hitting a critical area of resistance and you're showing triple RSI bearish divergence, man, you look out, man, look out. So there you go, dude. There you go. Broke the downswing resistance, Momo shift, and targets acquired, all of them. That's your MDA, crypto chef, man. Now, I don't really do. This is not like the ideal situation to be looking for like a swing trade. After a huge run, you're selling off, you just don't know, or we're moving to the upside, man, pivoting off 50 MA. I don't know, man. That's just not like, just wait, man. It's had its runs, dude, just recently. So it's like you wouldn't be looking into like, I don't know, Raven coin right now, would you? No, because all the fun has already happened. You're looking for the things that have not had fun yet, right? Like, just like we looked at KNC, it had not had its fun at all yet when we were looking at it and saying, hey man, it's time, and it blasted off. It was up 60+% at one time from where we called that bottom, right? Where we said it was an appropriate trade setup, potentially, and it was, man, it was. Okay, there's your MDA, cool, dude. Thanks for the 108 people that made it back. Appreciate y'all. I don't know, it's been like 2 minutes, man. Since the great crash. Since the great crash. What's up, Ripperoo? That's right, Q's very strong, man. Very strong. Dude, that partial decline was lit, dude. So Chalen, dude. Chalen, Thursday's the deadline for Jeopardy. We're gonna try to do it, man. I don't know. I'm so impatient with that. I want to do it tomorrow almost, dude. What about Dash? Just a person, man. Yeah, Dash doing things. We know for sure. We knew it was gonna do things. Well, we had a very strong indication to believe it was gonna do things based on technical analysis, coinciding variables. Yeah, it did things. Not anymore. I mean, it's okay. Wow. That's pretty. Ugh, stupid Wix, man. Stupid low liquidity S coins. Zen Horizon coin. Horizon S coin. What do you want me to do here, man? It's so annoying. What do you want me to do? This? You want me to do this? I guess I'll do that. Making the adjustment. Yeah, that's beautiful, dude. Actually, that's fantastic, right? 1 and 2 and 3. Maybe we've done this before. Heartline, beautiful support. Oh my God, 75% resistance. Holy crap! We broke it. We went sideways. We shifted our Momo by breaking it to the downside. Plugs out.
Price manipulation for the reason that coin storm BTC. Price manipulation for the reason that
Shit only happened one time. It's a stream elements thing. It's not a Mitch Ray thing, okay? See how everything's bugged out, man? Let me check this. Everything just stupid, dude. The technology, computer freezing, Streamlabs, Stream Elements, everything just is on meth, dude. Yeah, we'll look at it. All right, let me just talk about this real quick, man. All right, I think you can even hear my music now. God. I think we're good. So yeah, where do you fib, man? The fib, dude, daily. Make sure this is not. So we'll look at Storm Dude next, right? Oh, Jimmy Ragsdale, man. Jimmy Ragsdale. Thanks for the follow on Instagram, dude. Kangage. See, look at this, man. This is what happened on the daily on Zen, your low liquidity S coin. We ran up, hit the 200-day moving average and got completely rejected, sold off. Orders filled, whatever, came back down. A lot of volume, dude. A lot of selling. And double top in on that histogram, right? So that's that class C divergence, which doesn't mean bearish divergence. It doesn't mean impending price action reversal. But yeah, clear little Momo shift low, lower low, lowest low, then some higher lowage. All right, above the 20-day and 50-day moving average. That's also good, man. Okay, also good. So where's the daily discernible swing high? Definitely looks like right here. Ooh, we might luck out. Candle will close. Let's see. Ah, there's wicks down there. Crap. All right, we're gonna go from wick to wick. Oh my God. What else did we do, man? High to low. We hit the 2, 3, freaking 6. That's it, dude. All right. 2, 3, 6. So yeah, clearly major swing low could be in. All right. So golden zone on Zen. Sweet, man. Between the 382 and 618. There it is. This is the this is where you should retrace if you're actually gonna make a real retrace, dude. Wow. Wow, man. Could be real nice. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, Zen, good idea, man. Good look. Good look. So, you know, like there's a wick here, so that's some overhead resistance, man. There's candle closes too. All right, so just keep on making these higher lows and everything else should work out, but you should experience targets between 23.95 and 31.93 if we're to make a real life retrace, a real thing retrace. Okay, and remember anchor point 1 on the daily and 2 and 3 with heart line support, 75% resistance to give us confirmation of the market interpretation of this channel. Come on, dude, let's go. Instagram.com/MitchRayTA. Follow me on Instagram if you want to be a king. I'm just gonna promote the crap out of it. You're gonna get sick of it, okay? It's not like I'm promoting a service for like 3 Bitcoins per second. All right, I'm just saying, go to Instagram, follow me there. Especially if you want to know more about my life, because I'm not going to be posting IRL stuff on Twitter. And the fact that I'm moving and doing travel and TA now, there's going to be a lot more IRL stuff going on with me, okay? My IRL is going to be a lot more exciting and eventful, okay? Coming soon. Should just add value to the channel, I believe. Diversity. Great, man. Great Zen, dude. Zens, man. Good job, dude. Kangage. If you leave, you miss something. That's right, dude. That's right. So, Christian, I'm doing well. Hope you're doing well as well. Yeah, I don't know if Jim Ragsdale's up in this piece right now, man. Yeah, Jim Ragsdale literally is a star. I mean, he's like currently working on a deal with Sony or something. So that could be lit, man. Could be lit. Alright. Can't remember what we're going to look at. TA Andy. That's it, dude. I'm TA Andy. No, Kappa, because Andes are leeches. They're leeches because they don't have a following, right? Or credibility for that matter. Imagine taking advice from someone called Mexican Andy. Like, it's not someone called, it's really that particular person, dude. Jeez, man. What a dumpster fire of an actual life. That guy's just like a tool. He's like just a huge tool. He doesn't even have his own personality. He just literally steals people's personalities and emulates them. It's so sad, man. You don't use Instagram, Francisco? Then get out of here. Kappa. Holy crap, dude. You just found it, man? Thanks for the follow on Instagram, Alex, dude. Appreciate it, dude. And we've had a really good stream besides the freeze, the random freeze. Dude, we've been looking at some promising, good-looking... I mean, dude, some things that are like, hey, if TA is respected, things are going to play out. And then days or weeks go by, and all of a sudden, we're like, oh, we're looking at it, we're like, dude, here it is, man. You were patient, and it's paying off for your patience, dude. Okay? Really? So cool. Well, Irwin Coffee came in, man. Here's some Nicaraguan, right? Nicaraguan coffee. But that's not it. Sorry. Here. Really cool looking package. He just does different memes and stuff on all his packaging. It's very, very iconic and good branding. Cage. Win, joy, and happiness. Gotta find a way, man. Gotta find a way. Based on what, Christian? Based on what? Do you just feel that? Is there a technical analysis reason why you feel that way? Little channel right there, right? Not really like any kind of... It looks like a X, A, B, C, D or something, right? Some sort of harmonic. That's right, Copper Cryptid, man. Irwin Kangs, man. Irwin Kangs. I don't know, man. I guess it's like we got... Well, I'm just hanging around because we've got the... daily candle close in 12 minutes, as you can see on the screen. So I mean, we've done our part, right, today. Bitcoin just rejecting more, man. Rejecting that 20 MA. It can't hold it as... It's using it as resistance, man. Second time now, failing. Okay. That's cool, Christian, man. Oh, engine's starting to pump again, Robert Kirk. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. Hey, Zero, man. How you doing, dude? Glad you could make it. I mean, at this point, man, it's like, normally when we get later into streams, I was just talking about this with some peeps, and it's like, when you get later in streams, you start becoming more and more dependent on chat and chat's engagement with you. Because you like, dude, the content, man. We've looked at like 12 different cryptos, or 12 different charts, 13 really with the Qs. Okay, 13, and now it's like you do all that and you don't engage with chat as much, but then your computer freezes. And when your computer freezes, the Momo gets killed, right? People are like, oh, I guess he's done streaming. He don't come back, whatever, and it's just like, it makes it tough on my side. Tougher anyway. Is there a night mode on Instagram? Does anyone know? It's gotta be a night mode, right? I guess not, man, right? Okay, that sucks. Dude, I mean, like, here we go, man. Here we go. Another one. Dude, these are just looking decent, man. Not bad, right? Not freaking bad at all. Your high to low of the structure. Beautiful downsloping structure. We've broken out, chat. Ladies and gentlemen, we've broken out. Golden zone between 444 sats. Kills for Living would love it. And 536 sats. 382, 618. Here's the golden zone. Dude, look at this airplane, man. There's a helicopter. I don't know. Y'all can't hear it. Whatever. So here we go, man. OMG doing things. Oh my god. Pretty cool, man. Bump and run stuff. High or low. You hit a high or low, man. So we'll see what happens. 236, first target. It's 387 sats. Like 12 sats off, man. Hit that, and you're gonna know maybe the swing low is in, the major swing low is in. If we can break that, there's gonna be some resistance a little bit higher, but if you can break that, again, 444 sats seems to be your first target, you know, then 490, then 536, 601, 640, and then 685 is the very top of the structure we've broken. All right. Not bad. Not bad at all. And really look here, man. This low to higher low, you had bullish convergence on the RSI. Cool stuff. Look at the daily. Wonder how that looked, man. Oh, yeah, dude. Oh, my God. I think it's a trade setup or something, dude. Something like that. I don't know. Not bad at all, man. Falling wedge breakout. Let's see if we can get there. 200-day moving average at 431 cents, man. Let's see if we can touch it like Dash touched its 200. Man. TA. Respect it, man. And looky here. Look here. Listen. Here's your daily divergence. All right, let me get rid of all this crap, man. Oh, look at this, dude. Look, man. The low and then the lower low. The lowest low, man. Just like Dash. Just like KNC. Just like other things, dude. Okay? Look, huge impulse down. Oh, my God, dude. oh my God. I mean, like, finally it's appropriate to talk about oh my God, dude, because you had a huge impulse down. It started in April 2018. You finally got out of it in October, September of 2018, but you kept selling off. But your selling pressure was extremely lower than before because the angle of descent changed, and that's the psychology of your angle changing. There's less sellers. It's a good sign, man. Eventually the sellers stop. You run out of sellers eventually. Because they'll look the low and the lower low, then the slightly lower low. It's just a little bit lower than this low before it, and then the divergence shows up, and then you break out, and then you run, and then you retrace. You make major retraces, okay? And this argued on the daily could be a scrubby swing high. I mean, it might not even be discernible swing high. We're just doing it because of the pattern, dude. The real swing high on OMG is like up here, dude. Okay, seriously up here. That means OMG. If it made a proper retrace from the major real discernible swing high, dude, it'd be up here like 1,000 sats and stuff, dude. But that'd take a time, man. It'd take a long time. It could take 6 months plus. Because think about it, man. Remember, it's all relative. How long it takes us to retrace is all dependent on how long it took us to get in the predicament we were in to begin with, right? Okay, so like a year. It took us like a year to finish selling off and to begin our major retrace. So it might take us 6 months to 8 months to even get back to retrace, okay? Remember that. All relative. Are we cool, man? Let me know, chat. Thanks. Duty on Dash, Filippo, man, dude, come on, man. I already did, but we'll go back to it, okay? Is it going even higher, man? Because if it is, oh yeah. So lolly, dude. Sharuba. Well, dude, again, man, we just talked about like how long these things have been getting decimated. They've been getting decimated for like a year. Remember the altcoin spring, dude? That altcoin spring lasted like, I think, 6 weeks, something like that. Just look at Bitcoin, man. You're praying for Bitcoin to lack in volatility, because Bitcoin lacks in volatility. You know, a lot of these coins look much worse than Bitcoin, okay? So if Bitcoin isn't volatile, I think that's the key ingredient to these altcoins getting wrecked or not, okay? So Bitcoin just keeps on floating on up till April or May to finally hit a 786 on that cipher. If it takes its sweet time like that, man, these alts have plenty of time and room to run, because we know real-time fibs, dude. Most of them haven't even hit real 236s yet, okay? It's crazy, man. It's nice. But this is like, when you're patient, man, it finally plays out. I'm just gonna tell me I'm going, dude. We're cool, Coffee Crypto. Thanks, dude. There is no more sellers on Dash, man. Let's go back to Dash, dude. Okay, okay. Oh my God. Same spot. It hadn't really moved at all. Okay. Same thing, though. Okay. You had a downtrend, since this was one of the worst ones I've seen in top 100 market cap. The ones on TradingView, anyway. December 2017. You broke out in November, but you kept making lower lows. But the lower lows were just not as bad. Falling wedge into a triangle. You're broken out of both. All right. But here you are. Again, it's like literally the same spot I was at. This is daily time scale, all right? So we got 2 minutes, man. 2 minutes. Until a daily close. All right? Right at that 200-day moving average, man. Come on. Measure moves the that first target. Then you got the major retraces. 382, 50%. Right? Nothing wrong. We're layering out on the way up, man. Right? Because we just know, devastated. But, hey, man. Retraces happen. The major discernible swing high on the daily, April 2018 to the low. 382, 50%, 618, man. Okay. Okay, higher lows. Let me enjoy my coffee, man, okay? Thanks. Satoshi, man. Glad to hear that the robots are helping, dude. The robots are helping crypto do things, okay? Make crypto great again via robots. No, decimated means like from the top you lost like literally all your value, and then you're like at all-time lows. That's what decimated means, dude. Oh my God, see, those are wrong questions to ask, Norbert Sean, man. Which coin is the best option for 2-time gains? That's just not how you do it, man. That's not a trader mentality you should have, man. KNC doing things, it did things, man. So beautiful, dude. OMG, Dash. Hey, Larley's talking about 88. We were talking about 88 to BTC. Larley's talking about 88 to USDT. Both in interesting situations, but come on, Bitcoin, dude, do something, man. We love Bitcoin. We love when Bitcoin does things, okay? Because it helps the US dollar pairs perform better, like a lot better, for the most part. It's official. I've decided that I need a full-time job to support my family, dude. Don't quit your day jobs. I don't know, Peter Von Morgan, the FOMO army, dude. God, those are the worst, man. The ones that abandon you, or abandon me anyway. The ones that abandon me until we've already pumped, and then they ask me completely impossible questions. Like, hey man, we just hit the 3rd target on Bitcoin. Is it time to buy? And it's like, who are you, dude? Where have you been for like the past like month, dude? Past month, you've been gone. Abandoning me, and now you're back asking questions after all the moves have happened, or even the first initial impulses happened. It's like, dude, not a low risk area anymore. You hit first target, but we talked about needing 2 more targets to hit, and then they disappear during the consolidation, and they come back like, oh my God, man, I just went short on Bitcoin or something weird, you know, like, I don't know, just there are countless instances of this, and you think you'd get used to it on my side, but you never did. It's just extremely disappointing. Not bad, man, not bad. I mean, we can go back to Bitcoin, whatever, dude. If you want to be a boring coin, we can do it, dude. What's Dash been doing in this past 4 minutes, 5 minutes? Nothing, dude, nothing, but just beautiful. Oh my God, man. Sorry. It's so nice, man. All right, you know, and just for those, like, this is what we're looking at right now, okay? This is what we're looking at. and this is what it looks like for patrons. Okay, this is, you saw it, man, on the daily. That's what it looks like, dude. Okay, a trade set up on our Patreon, whatever. Like, you know, you had the bullish divergence, the 4 hour, really just channel into the triangle, and we broke it, Momo shift, right? And we're not quite at entry yet, but we did hit our entry, and then we went. But of course, we're way off. This thing could crap out, and we could never even hit the measure move of the triangle, which is fine. I understand that, but dude, getting in at the best possible entry, it's not easy, right? And it requires reading charts, coinciding variables to get in on that target before the entry target, before these big moves come. Look, dude, look at this, man. That's big time, dude. Big time. Could have gotten in on that, all right? Thing is, though, we're so, like, we're at 83, 85 on the RSI, man. On the 4 hour, dude. Insanity. All right. The shorter term trade should be done, right? Because if you're like really short term trader, you're just looking at 1 and 2 on the bottom and 3 on the top. And really remember, you just look at the 100% retrace and the 1272. Both of those were hit. And that's cool, man. You can be a short term trader. Okay, right? High to low. First target is 100% retrace. Second target is the 1272. Pretty much hit it, man. Pretty much hit that 1272 fib extension, all right? Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all. But I just think anyway, whatever, that this has been a long time coming. This thing has been selling off incessantly for 14, 15 months, dude, all right? Major retraces happen. And they normally happen just like this is where it starts, man. And I'm not saying we're going to all-time highs. I'm just talking about a 38% retrace or something, okay, from that top, way up there. That's it. That's not crazy to talk about, man. Or to expect. Well, it says the Bitcoin March futures contract last trade is on March 29th and will be settled on April 3rd. And he's giving a link to the calendar. Boom. Thanks, brother, man. Can you pay for weed in the U.S. in Dash, Filippo? I mean, probably. Dash or cash. It's probably it, dude. Can't use credit cards. And that's why crypto, I think, is probably going to play a brilliant role in the U.S. marijuana industry for now until they federally legalize it. So, yeah. 2 dash. No, I didn't get off.
Oh, it feels so good!
My computer froze, and so I had to just get back online. And so not 2 dash streams. Nothing I can do about it, man. So we're just continuing on the day stream with the evening stream now. And maybe we'll have a night stream too. We'll have 3 streams. What? That's insane, dude. Well, yeah, dude. But if you don't understand trends, Mr. Nakamoto, dude. If you don't understand trends, dude, yeah, you're buying. If you put it $100 this time last year, of course, dude, you realize you're not taking it contextually, right? You're not looking at the great FOMO we had. When you have great FOMOs like that, dude, yeah, you're gonna correct, and the correction is not an event. A correction is a process. And some of these altcoins, these Bitcoin pairs that were affected so negatively from that process of correction, are beginning to show momentum shifts. Right now, we're here, man. They've been showing them, dude. And the people, the masses, they come in after the Momo's shifted already, after the composite operators have acquired and accumulated positions at the low points we're looking at, and the FOMOs get wrecked, dude. Okay, they help push the price up a lot, dude. And then us, we become kings even more, become platinum kings. Chainlink feels insure. I'm gonna chainlink you, dude, to this chain linked fence. So yeah, like trying to dollar cost average into a correction after the largest FOMO we had ever seen on this market. Yeah, that's stupid. But that's just testament to people that didn't understand how trends work, okay? Trends are like going to the beach. There's a big red flag up. It says undertow. You will get wrecked if you get in the water. You get in the water and you try to fight the undertow, you're going to lose because you're fighting a trend that is not your friend. Anyway, whatever, dude. I don't know, Arcade, man. I don't know. I think with Dash, it just means like we'll pull back. We'll pull back some, and maybe we'll back test, right? The trend line of the triangle, the top trend line of the triangle, back test it. People get opportunities to go long. We run again. That'd be nice. But really, we don't really know from the high to low that we've actually created a major low here until we hit, I think, 27,413 sats. That's what the 236 is for. The 236 is a very important fib node because it helps us discern if we've actually really legitimately hit a swing low, a major swing low on daily time scale, right? Dude, freaking restream. What is it? In mass you can buy at the store. Best medical marijuana there is illegal to sell, so the loophole is donation. Anyone can distribute. You can have. Okay. A lot of logistics, man. Can we just skyrocket already, dude? I mean, have you not seen KNC? You not see Dash today? VeChain, dude. That's like literally skyrocketing. Well, that stuff, man. You look for. Once the undertow has you, then the sharks come. Well, the whales, I guess. Yeah, whatever, dude. Did I find a pattern on beer and bacon coin? That's first. Phil, I think you're the first person to ever call it beer and bacon coin, dude. Holy crap. Oh, but no, let me check, man. Oh, yeah, upsloping flag right now, anyway, right? Right, the upsloping flag, dude. Ooh, double topping, too. Ooh, man. Look at this, dude. High. Same high on candle close areas. Look at this, dude. Extreme divergence going on. Double top. Class B bearish divergence, man. Not done looking good. We're seeing volume. Lower levels of relative strength, right? Oof. High point. Let's try to get this going. High to low. 786 area. Between 786 and 886. Man, on a double top bearish divergence. Both oscillators and the receding volume. There's a good argument to be made on BNB to the US dollar tether that a pullback is going to happen. All right, these are the variables we look for. When they align like that, there's very high chance that the move would be down next. Okay, and say it does go slightly higher, whatever, man. Then you're going to be class A bearish divergence, even worse. Volume will probably continue receding if we kept going higher. But dude, I don't see us going over. I mean, it's gonna be real hard getting above 15.57. But I don't see us getting over $16. But without a pullback first, and then we could run again after that. But I just don't. This is screaming sell-off before running again if we did. And at that point, we'd need to see variables again, pattern development, right? Okay, Phil, there you go, man. What's the sell target for Dash, dude? We had it up like literally 10 minutes ago or something. We actually literally showed the trade setup that the patrons were given. Dude, Filippo, are you watching the show, man? Just coming back asking about Dash when we just analyzed the crap out of it for the second time. Specifically because you asked. You asked. And if it wasn't for you asking, I probably wouldn't have gone back to Dash. Come on, dude. Not even cool, man. Okay, man. Flash from the past. Kid, man, he was the one that he brought it up on stream. Hey, man, is there potential double bottom? We looked at it and we're like, oh, my God, man. My God. You might be right. Walton coin. Potential double bottom. Okay, man. Kangs. All right. So we said, fine. We'll take a shot at it. We think, based on the double bottom, we may never get back down to this area. We did say it's the lowest risk, but the problem is you've already hit it twice. So there's a reason to believe it. We might not get there again. And guess what? We were freaking right. So close to that stop getting hit, but never touched it. And then we were guided. We actually hit the first target like a few days ago, right? March 3rd. But now we're back, man. We're back. Okay. In case you missed it. And so, second target on Walton coin way up here. Remember we talked about the neckline of double bottom. And then above that's the measured move. Okay, way beyond. And then we can look at major fibs too. There's just a lot of ways to do it, man. You can't just do it. But look, man, you had the 4-hour bullish divergence and the daily bullish divergence. It was just beautiful coinciding variables out the yin yang. This is like a wedding cake or something. Just extreme amount of ingredients here. I don't know, maybe a Trace Chase cake. Because it's like 3 milk cake with all the other ingredients, but just different types of milk too. Whatever. If you're a baker in here, you get it, dude. Okay. Things you can expect in the Patreon. It's just an amenity to incentivize one to support the stream because I show up twice a day, and the Patreon supports my team that work behind the scenes to make sure I can do this stuff all the time. There's so many working parts doing what I do. So thanks for all the support. Got 50, I think we're up to 51 patrons now. 51 strong, dude. Thank y'all. Okay, I've been live for like, I think over 2 hours or something total. Feel free to, or just remember to, if you have Instagram, follow me on Instagram, dude. Check it out. I just started really doing Instagram last night. Okay, made a decision to do it, and we're doing it, man. We'll see how high we can go. Dan, did you know Disney's acquisition of Fox will be finalized on March 20th at 12:02 Eastern Time? Wow, man, that's crazy. If you're a Fox shareholder, you have 2 more trading days to choose the split between cash and Disney stock received in exchange for your shares. Wow. It's unreal, dude. How did that even happen? Like, how is that even possible? Dang, man. Guess we go to Kyber, whatever. Kyber coin. Doing things. Come on, dude. I guess. Hey, right on the 618, right? We went from the low point to the high point. You've retraced 60% of the way, and that's where you're pivoting to run again. But we know it almost always happens where you run up, you'll sell off, maybe in the golden zone, maybe in the 786, and then you'll rally, and then you'll make a lower high, and you'll sell off again, man. How in the world are you going to come back and break above 10,457? It's going to be so tough, man, all right? It was extremely high, real fast, dude. Weekend Warrior Edition. Kangage, dude. All the volume came in, too. But the falling wedge, dude, it looked just like Raven coin. Let's see if we can find that little screenshot or something, okay? Just beautiful, man. Man, we've been killing it lately, dude. It was on the box mining edition, okay? Here we go. This was it right here, okay, ladies and gentlemen. This is what we did, right? We had a Raven coin on the right, and then we had KNC on the left, right? This is KNC, dude. This was KNC when it was sitting at 4,800 sats, right? 4,800 sats right here, okay? Back test of the triangle, or the wedge, we broke out, we back tested. People get an area to re-enter, they luck out. Great back test. And then there we go, man. And then you were gone, dude. You were gone. You had the 236. You exceeded the 236 a little bit, over 10,000, rounded number, and then you sold off. Okay? But dude, look, man. You had the divergence down here, divergence, wedge, extremely bearish trend. You broke out of it, or you walked out of it. Okay, the Momo shift a little bit, slightly lower lows, and then gone. It's been so fun, man. Alright, Phil, have a good one. Well, it's not a service, Peter Pot. My Patreon, to be completely honest right now, it is not a service. The Patreon is specifically meant to support me as a streamer so I can show up here twice a day, spend my time, you know, providing content, dude, this stuff, all these moving parts, man, not easy, and it's not cheap. It costs me money to do this stuff. So, like, in order to do that and pay my bills and stuff, right? This is going to be like my job. That's how you support the best way, because it's supporting the team too. But there are incentives involved to get you to join, and that's the trade setups, the education clips, and the Discord exclusivity. All right, so do not think of the Patreon as a service at all. Hey, Disney's buying Fox. Yeah, I know Vertex Games. Someone hit the alarm bells, dude. Crazy. I think Wabi, man. I think they're talking about it looking decent. Man, I think we charted it and then we like didn't save it. Crap. Yeah, dude, old Wabi, man. Alright. It was like you Alright, you're at a critical overhead resistance right now. You had an upsloping support, it looked like, right? I don't know. It's almost like, dude, some sort of ascending triangle of some sort. And I don't know, higher lows. As far as you need to, right? A premature breakout though, couldn't hold on to it, could you, dude? Well, and it really, it's not even. It's more like this, if anything, right? Because like you didn't even have this. So what is it now? It's an upsloping channel. That makes sense, right? That okay? There you go. The parallel channel, or the equidistant channel could probably work here too. It might get some touches. I don't know. 1 and 2 and 3. See, you didn't get it, man. Didn't quite get it. Heartline resistances, heartline resistance, 75% resistance, 25 resistance, support, kind of. It's not bad, man. So you could definitely interpret Wabi like this, but we know we couldn't sustain prices above. It's October 14th, 2018 high. Look at that, man. Look at this. Wow. What's crazy is it looked like a Head and Shoulders. Honestly, it looks like almost a diamond. I mean, kind of, right? 1 2 1 2 1 2. You don't have 1 2 though, so you're lacking one part of the diamond, and that would require a higher low of some sort, and then we could anchor it. We don't have that yet. Okay. Neckline broke, and then you popped, man. It was like a, oh really, dude? Yeah, I guess it's one of those. It's like this. This is the neckline. It's like a downsloping neckline, so you can sell off hardcore. And I haven't studied as much on the downsloping Head and Shoulders. The measure move is not quite the same. I remember reading about it, and Bulkowski talks about it's not exactly the same type of measure move. But either way, you could expect if this doesn't, if the failed rally, it looks like the sell-off could expect down to 43.19. Maybe come down to, you know, areas like 44.28, right, where you got horizontal line supports, right? Well, you can clearly see this, and, you know, hopefully we could rally, but chances are, based on all this rejection here, at the 75% trend line, probably not, right? Oh my god, that's terrible. Alright, you get it, though. You get it, dude. Okay. Wabi was doing things, it pivoted, it booted, and it rallied. Alright. Structure is upsloping for now, okay? I mean, you could try a high. I mean, stupid wigs, man. It's so annoying. High to low. Hey, dude, you hit 786. Like, perfect. Beautiful fib, man. Alright. Holy crap, dude. So nuts. You need a mid-trade bot to fill in when I'm sleeping? Yeah, maybe. Who says I sleep? Kappa. Two rays on the screen. What? Oh, there are 2 rays on the screen. Holy crap. Yeah. My bad. Okay, here it is on the left. That's KNC, man. Comparing to Ravencoin gone bonkers. Here it is. Here it is. Wonderful Bricks, we were looking at Dash. You notice the thumbnail Dash? OMG maybe. Alright? Zen maybe. Okay, gotcha, Peter Pie. He says you meant the way it's professional, the way the trade setups are emailed, or yeah, it's on Telegram too. And in Discord, right? There's multiple ways we communicate those trade setups to you, sure. Oh wow, 8 reporters from Fox and CNN all canned today. Get wrecked. Who knows Vegas games, man? It's gonna be weird, dude. Alternative media, the only escape, dude. First Grandma would not disagree with you. Would not disagree. Remember to follow me on Instagram if you haven't. New thing. Started last night. Let's do things, okay? Be posting regularly my life. Things in my life, you know, traveling TA, all kinds of things, okay? Me doing modeling, okay? Gonna be competing against the thoughts, the Instagram thoughts. You don't want to miss it. Of course. And also. And that too. Okay. Jeez. BitMEX trades. Anything you can extrapolate? The technical analysis works, and you can make money doing it. Swing trading. When Bitcoin volatility is lacking, altcoins have the opportunity to run. If they're setting up, they're not going to get completely, you know, blindsided by randomness. If Bitcoin volatility is lacking, altcoins can just be free to do, like, to respect the TA. That's it. BitMEX trades. Well, Javid, we've already hit 1, 2, 3, 6. I mean, because look, at that point you have to call an audible. You say, hey man, we pumped up too much today, 60-something%, hitting a fib note. You're at 90-something, 95 in the RSI. It's just like, you just got to do it, man. You gotta let it. If you're able to take profit, one would do it there. Like swing trader or not, man, monitoring your position, dude, that's just too high, too fast. You know it's coming back, and so it did. It came back and pulled back 62%. But you'd expect targets really in the more longer term, right, the midterm, to range between 13,195 and 19,337. If it was to play out, the real swing trade, the major real retrace was to happen, that you'd be looking at that area. That's it. Excuse me. What is this, dude? Are you kidding? Tron Connect. Tron, $20 million free cash airdrop by Justin Sun today. We're gonna give you a Tesla, dude, or something weird. Tron Connect. There he is, dude. The booger picker from Periscope in a hotel room. There he is. Wow. So surprised. He's seeing these alts pumping. He's like, why is Tron Connect not pumping anymore? It's been pumping, dude. But it's just not right now. So he's like, come on, man. I got to get my coin up. We're talking about bailing out next year. That's never how it works, dude. Trading plan, and improvise. But your time to improvise is around 10,000 sats, not where we are at 6640 sats. Actually, BNB has made $1 billion in 2018, Julia, not millions. Sorry, just being pedantic or whatever it is, technical or specific. Thanks, Javid, man. Am I saying it right, Javid? Good lord, man. Okay, Bueller, tough crowd. All right, it's been fun, y'all. It's been real fun. Appreciate everything. Thanks for showing up, hanging out. William Baker, Julia, Mount Fuji, Dan and Melissa, Beeswaxers, Crypto Chef, Kills for Living, Ace G, and Dan Stylus. Thank you all for the contributions today. It really means a lot.
Jump scare. MFT doing things.
Hey, Zen man, thanks for the 422. Is that a joint-ish?
Is that a joint?
422 still falls in the category of the marijuanas because the joke, you know. If you miss 420, don't worry, because in a couple minutes it'll be 422, right? So we still would do it. But sure, we can look at MFT, man. Sure. Just when I thought I was out, you pulled me back in for a minute. Okay. You know, I think there's something you can do where, based on the tips you get, the more people tip you, the longer you have to stay online. You have to, like, stay on stream no matter what. I'm thinking about doing that challenge. So it's like if no one tips me, then I just go offline, right? But if people tip, like, you know, however much based on the metric or whatever, it would make me stay online, like, for like 10 hours or something. Wow. Sanchez, man, jeez. People don't ask him about this crap before, man. Come on. God. Nice one, dude. We missed the bus on it, I think, a little bit, all right? Beautiful. There it is. $382. Probably gonna keep running. Near overbought. It's okay. Bullish convergence in the MACD. We know how this goes, man. We know it. Looks like Walton coin, doesn't it, chat? It sure does, man. And looky here, listen. See, you didn't really have that nice divergence that you had on Dash and others, right? So it was okay, but like nice how you bottomed out right there. Critical little support. It was like perfect, dude. Perfect. So that first target could be the 618 or the 100%, man. Running up the top. Okay, so good. Good news. You'd think, man, like, okay, it looks like a flag, doesn't it, of some sort, almost? You know, it's not bad. It's not like the best flag, so whatever. You can look at it like an impulse down, upslope and consolidation, but you know, where the impulse down, where it hit, the relativity is the double bottom more so. Like normally you want to be making lower lows than your previous lows, but that's why fibbing's so important, man. Just even so, you hit this bottom, you run up, you fib it, you have targets for entry at the bottom, the low risk, taking the shot, the bullish engulfing candle on the daily, and you can run up and you can hit, you can have your standard traditional targets for your Fibonacci and not have to worry about a double bottom if you don't think this thing's going to actually last. So cool on MFT, man. Thanks, Sanchez, man. Appreciate the 422, dude. That's what I'm talking about, man. Moss, no way it's going 24 hours, dude. I mean, we could. I mean, I can do sleep streams, I guess, but it's literally not going to be, the whole time it's not going to be me, like, doing this. It's going to be, like, me just living. Okay. Reinstate the $1 tip for a night. What I might do is make it to where people have to stream. They could do stream labs, and I can set up media to where, like, you can play any kind of media you want. So if I'm, like, sleeping, if I had to do a 24-hour stream and I had to sleep, make it to where you can play like really loud music or like sirens or something stupid. So a lot of fun ways to you know, do this. Just always thinking about different ideas. All right, Arthur, man. Love the bees button, man. Holy crap. Oh, the Tron army, man. Is there a Tron army? I didn't know that was real. Wow. They only ask once of pumps. Shoot. Yeah, that's true, man. Never eat yellow snow. That's a tip. Thanks, Robert, for the tip, man. Ricard, man, I'm glad you think that. It's an honor that you say that, and thank you for your support and being here. Okay, Ricard. All right, Julia, have a good one. Is that it? Is that it? Am I screwed? Is it over now? Y'all want me out of here? Okay, I can do it. If only Bitcoin would do something, then people would freak out. So it has been absolutely fantastic, the stream today. Sanchez will add you to the list of the contributors, and I really, really appreciate it, because I can't do it without you, you know? Because I don't monetize, right? I don't play ads like so many other, almost every other YouTuber does that. They play the ads. And I get to play copyright music, meaning I get to play better music for you than they do. They most of the time don't even play music, right? So, whatever, man. We'll just do things a little different here. Feel free to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Patreon, Discord, Twitch, YouTube, all of them, man. Check me out. But most importantly, for now, it's an Instagram campaign, dude. So I'll be back tonight. Till next time. Respect. T. A.
Adios, turd nuggets.